हेलो
हेलो।
हेलो, तिलोनिया रेडियो स्टेशन।
हाँ, मैं रामनिवास बोल रही हूँ तिलोनिया कम्युनिटी रेडियो से।
हेलो
हेलो, किसान संचार में आपका स्वागत है।
Kisan Sanchar Limited is a mobile phone-based initiative launched by IFFCO or the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited to harness the power of telecom to empower the rural farmer. There is a specially created call center where farmers can call and discuss their problems with trained scientists and agricultural experts.
हेलो
हाँ जी।
जी, मेरा नाम रणबीर है, मैं निडाना गांव से बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ जी, मैं आपकी किस प्रकार से मदद कर सकता हूँ?
हाँ, ऊपर से इनका जो पत्ता है वो पीला हो गया
This
है।
facility helps the farmers to get solutions to their everyday crop-related challenges. Datamation Foundation is a non-profit charitable trust that is actively engaged in designing a model by which vital information regarding reproductive and child health directly reach the pregnant and lactating women in localized Hindi language through mobile phones. Vital first step was to create a team of dedicated local healthcare workers who roam across different neighborhoods persuading families to register the pregnant women to avail this service.
ये आपके गांव में चल रहा है, तो अगर कोई गर्भवती होती है तो उसको हम लोग मैसेज के द्वारा जानकारी देते हैं।
Each registered user receives 2 SMS alerts every day for the entire 40-week duration of pregnancy. This mobile-based healthcare project has been found to directly influence the understanding of maternal health issues among pregnant women.
गली गली में दौड़ लगाते, तालाबों में गोते खाते, आशाओं के दीप जलाए, आएंगी खुशियाँ गुनगुनाते।
With mobile-enabled e-dots, Operation Asha takes the DOTS strategy directly to the doorsteps of the disadvantaged by establishing treatment centers within the community so that patients can receive medicine conveniently without wasting time or money and without losing wages.
हेलो।
हाँ बीजी सर, ऐसा है कि एक पेशेंट है रामनी मंडल के नाम से।
Tabulation of counsellor Rekha Sharma's record shows that one patient, Ramni Mandal, had been missing his TB drug dose. She alerts Vijay, the program manager at the Central Area Office of Operation Asha, and both set out to meet the patient.
मैं भी आपके साथ में जाके पता करता हूँ आखिर में ये दवाई क्यों नहीं खा रहे हैं।
Ramni Mandal is a daily wager. He runs a small street-side pawn shop. In the current season, he has already defaulted 2 times because he says he finds it very difficult to leave his cart unprotected and come for medicine.
बिजी था, गरीब आदमी काम करने में काम अगर नहीं करूँगा तो हमारा परिवार कैसे जिएगा?
In any other circumstances, his drug default would have gone undetected. But because of the active e-dot system in the colony, his case was quickly identified. The health workers educated him about the dangers of developing drug-resistant tuberculosis and made sure he takes the requisite dose.
ठीक है, अभी आप ये दवाई खा लीजिए।
With one of the lowest bank account penetration, India has one of the largest financially excluded poor population in the world. But rising mobile phone usage has made M-Banking an innovation option to provide financial empowerment to all. Echo, a startup company, got together with State Bank of India to launch the SBI Mini Savings Bank Account. Shankar Singh is now a bank account holder. He keeps putting his daily savings into a deposit by a process which is as simple as making a talk time recharge on his mobile.
Hello.
Earlier, Shankar Singh had to take off from work trying to send a money order. It meant losing his precious daily wages. But now, he's able to transfer his savings to his family in Bihar whenever required.
चलो चलें सब मिलके, खेल नया एक खेलें। से हाथ मिलाकर हर मुश्किल को झेलें।
Chhattisgarh put the might of its state machinery behind the PDS to fulfill a basic demand of common man, right to food security. One of the first steps was to track the movement of around 600 vehicles carrying subsidized food grains across 18 districts of the state by using a combination of global positioning system and mobile telephone devices. A web and mobile-based application tracked the trucks as well as the amount of food grains that were being procured, transported and received at different points of the journey. All this was placed on the web and circulated through an SMS to whoever wished to be kept in the loop. In case there is an unscheduled stopover, the driver's mobile begins to buzz with queries.
हेलो, हाँ भैया मैं आ रहा हूँ, रास्ते में गाड़ी खराब हो गई थी, मैं आपके दुकान तुरंत पहुँच रहा हूँ।
Life in most Chhattisgarh villages now runs to the sound of the mobile beep. An alert on the mobile tells her when the ration stocks reach the PDS shop and everyone gets set to collect their monthly rations.
बाहें खोल बंधन तोड़, एक टीम बन जाए जो हो जीतने को तैयार।
Barefoot College has made a name for itself by helping the local people to find solutions from within the community.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है जोखिम चाचा और मैं बैरफुट कॉलेज तिलोनिया में काम करता हूँ।
Jokhim Chacha, a puppet character, is as popular as a Bollywood star here.
पर्यावरण में सुधार कैसे हो?
As the sun dips, Chacha is at it again.
तो कम्युनिटी रेडियो और मोबाइल ने किस तरीके से गांव-गांव और ढाणी-ढाणी को जोड़ा है और किस तरीके से दुनिया को जोड़ने में अपनी भूमिका निभा रहा है। हेलो,
एक आप गाना सुनाओ साहब, घूमर वाला।
हाँ जरूर, क्यों नहीं।
Most phones came with FM radio receivers, and that is how a lot of people now listen to their favorite programs beamed by the community radio station. The community radio cum mobile phone combo uses voice services, texting, and FM streaming to create a committed audience. Advocacy and information-based programs beamed from the community radio have a huge impact. Here at Tilonia, a variety of news, opinion and discussion programs keep buzzing up the village. Banking, loans, healthcare, job cards, government policies, everything is material for news bulletins.